So when I best jeweller at Portland, so just forward, make it fit so I feel.
So for the miracle up and running. Big up yourself, Starlight.
Yes, me people, welcome, to Bobby Nature TV. Yeah, try make some content for the people. You see the video where me I go put on for now. Boy, me I tell you people, I work me there, me I go, and me book up in a Starlight Entertainment TV, the brother there, I have a whole heap of subscribers and followers, and I'm a big thing on the internet. And him here say I a jewiller, you see it? So him stop I and say, boy, him want fix the ring, and me I go fix the ring now. Same time, I say, I can't just fix the ring, so I have to make a video with this thing here, because a Starlight and them on the big on the internet. Yeah, so I just decide say I go just make a video, and same time I see him just walk in at the shop. Yeah, man. You have to have them things there, With a machine, you have to have all kind of machine, all different type of machine you have to have in the hills, And them hills you have to equip. Yeah, man, so big up on yourself, my people. Yeah, man, big up on yourself in the world out there, you understand? Just live righteous people. And run with Satan and Lucifer. Because you know what Lucifer do. Lucifer making you do something. And then you sorry after. Yeah, that's what Lucifer do, He making you do something, and then you're sorry after. So run him away, man. Run him with the boy Lucifer. Run with the boy Lucifer, and make God come in on the system. The righteousness. Yeah? Righteousness. Righteousness. You gotta be righteous. You can't be unrighteous. When you're righteous, you get power. So my maga be fit and strong like a lion. Fit and strong like a lion. Up in a lion. Hi, my nature lovers. Morning, my nature lovers. Good afternoon, my nature lovers. Good day, my nature lovers. And good night, whenever time you're watching this video. Of course, I am going to use this opportunity. Yeah, because, the great Starlight Entertainment nature lovers. So, as we are come over this morning, Starlight, give me this. Sada nature lovers, big man thing, because of big man YouTuber that See ya, Starlight, give me this fix this morning. And I make the opportunity to show how man clever. Because the content me I create same way. See ya, this I put this in my. Normally I don't make a video and work, because it's too hard. Me alone can't do it. I try still, because I like to show my video. Starlight Entertainment. Give me the ring of the fix. I'm going to fix it. The media. Pick up yourself. Me like make videos, I love make content at the same time. I start a YouTube page. Women don't get no work to do. Women don't get no work to do. So then, you can't make nature videos and everything. So I'm going to do that. See that?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So, as me I go fix the ring, people, the great star life step in the shop.
One star life, you
Yeah,
know.
man. You don't know.
Boss, I want to best jeweler of Portland, so we just forward and make it fix wife ring. You see it? One list.
Yeah, man. So, I have to make the opportunity to the nature lovers show me, you know? Yeah, man. Because I can't get to make a nature video. Yeah, get to make a nature video, nature lovers. Take time to get a look at it. Anyway, I try it, you know? So, see me I do it in nature lovers. I hope the phone will stop because the phone on a space and sometimes when you try video something can stop. Jump off before you even done do what you have to do. I hope you don't jump off before you done start this thing. Yeah, man. See the people. Lock me and lock team. Lock me and lock in the piece tonight now. The piece I need to put in there. Lock me and lock team. Yeah? Skill and tactics in the car. Yeah, man. Lock me and lock team people. Fire welding, you know? Drilling, fire welding. Yes, the people. Lock me and lock team, you know? No, man, that's how you got people. Oh, it's a process, you know? You never clear it out. See it? Alright. On the miracle, yeah, 501 jewiller, yeah man, Star Life Entertainment, big up yourself you, Charlie Gravy, yeah man, anytime, yeah man, I you that man, big up yourself.
Yes,
yeah?
my people, and so it is. Yeah, man, Bobby Nature TV. You know, fix a ring for Star Life Entertainment, you know. Yeah, man, it's a good look, and yeah, man, we make the video and I feel proud of myself to do it, you understand. So I decide, so boy, I'm gonna make a video because as a YouTuber, I rank in YouTuber to a small YouTuber, so why not, you know. At least when I make the video, same time in just come up near the store, I'ma tell him and come around which part me I work, and him give me a heads up in the video, give me permission, you know. So I want them thing the people. So just like and subscribe and help me build up. As you can see, I'm trying to make videos for you guys. If you like the video, you can just leave a comment. Let me see.